So what do we have here? We have cucumbers, we have cilantro. No, we're not making a salad.
We're feeling a little work sick, so today we're going to be making a cocktail that we make at Hyde in the American Airlines Arena, the Healthy Green.
At Hyde Arena, we make our own liquor infusions. This cocktail calls for 1.5 ounces of our homemade cilantro gin. Now we're gonna be adding 1 ounce of fresh cucumber juice. Now we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. We're gonna sweeten it up with 1/2 ounce of agave. Now we're gonna add ice and shake it up. And last, we're gonna top it off with 1 ounce of ginger beer. Now we're gonna be garnishing with a cucumber slice.
When the heat season returns, come have a healthy green with us at Hyde Arena.